nice sunny Amber Cove, Dominican Republic today. It is about 9 in the morning. It's a very nice warm day, but here it's a very beautiful day. So everybody's getting off the ship. Yeah, one thing, we're in the spa balcony, so one thing we're kind of not used to is not having a actual roof. Usually on the balcony you're kind of covered, so you get the full sunlight, so it's not much shade here. Just got up, kind of slept in. We had a late night and just kind of relaxing. We don't have anything planned in Amber Cove today. We're going to probably do some porch shopping because we remodeled some of the house recently, so we wanted to get some like island decor, stuff for the new patio we built. We're only on day 3 and it's been just fantastic so far. I mean, we could head home today and be completely happy. I repeat myself every vlog, but just so everybody knows, we're on the La Lita Loca Cruise Geeks group cruise. And we're having such a great time with everyone. Everyone is just so awesome. Made such great friends already. And so far the cruise has been good. We had a little problem with Faster to the Fun. The room wasn't ready when we came, Saturday. But I've had no less than 4 or 5 supervisors and guest services people come to remedy it, which it wasn't a big deal. I didn't make a big deal about it, but they refunded our Faster to the Fun, and apologized several times, sent everybody. Like I said, it wasn't a big deal. I didn't make it a big deal, but they went above and beyond. So it's great. Everybody, staff-wise, has been really great. You probably seen it in the video already that they give us a tour, myself and Tony, a private behind-the-scenes tour of the galley, which was just phenomenal. So Carnival's extended some stuff to us, and it's been really great. So we really do appreciate it for just being a small channel trying to grow. So it's been great. So yeah, like I said, today we're not doing nothing. We're just going to go down. A lot of people getting off so far. But yeah, we're just going to start getting cleaned up and head out for breakfast, probably at the buffet maybe. And we'll just mosey on out the ship, do some shopping, and come back, and maybe we'll hit the spa, or I don't know what we'll do. We're just kind of play it by ear today. We have dinner tonight with the group. A lot of the group is going to do the monkey excursion today, to see the squirrel monkeys, I think is what they're called, which sounds fun. A good part of the group is going there, so I hope they have a good day. I'm sure you'll see a bunch of videos from them. So yeah, we're just going to do that. We'll see you wherever our next adventure takes us today. Alright, getting ready to head out to Amber Cove, and we got a knock at the door and got a, let's see, ship on a stick, courtesy of John Hill. That was great. Appreciate that. Thanks a lot. We'll definitely haven't gotten a ship on a stick in a while, so it's cool to have one for the breeze, one of our new favorite ships. So thanks a lot, John. We appreciate it. Whoa, would you look at that? We're in the port. Not too many people here, really. Just everybody's out doing their excursions. We're just gonna...
Will we get a partner?
Just gonna head to some of the shops and see if we can grab a few things for the house. And I think she wanted coffee. Is that the coffee place right there?
Oh yeah, on the way out. Well, should I grab it now?
Yeah, I get it on the way out. Alright, we're just checking out some of the shops. I guess they're trying to find decor.
Which one you like better?
I don't know. They're both kind of cool.
I like this one. But I like that it says
the other one says it's more bold. Yeah, maybe that one.
This one?
Yeah. They got a lot of nice ones. See the ones over here? Bro, these ornaments. I don't know what this is. This place is cool. They have a lot of neat signs and wood things. This is kind of what we were looking for the porch. So There's a bar and
That's like the one in Puerto Rico.
yeah. I don't remember this being here last time. I don't know if this is new or.
That looks really good.
Chicharron sampler.
Chicharrón.
That's some good looking stuff. Yeah, this must be new. I don't remember this. Unless you walked right by it. Been to the port, but never found this place over here. It's a nice little overlook. There's a nice little beach there, but I don't know if. I don't know. I don't doubt that's like a public one for the port. There's only a few people over there. I don't know. Because I think it's outside the actual port. I don't know. It's a nice little view over here. Again, the water is real pretty. Nice view of the ship. So yeah, we're just walking around. We found some stuff. Found our wind chime. But you can't record it in those shops because there's too much music. And you know how YouTube does with the copyright. So we got some of that. I don't know. I guess we'll still hit a few shops and see where the day takes us. All right, we finally got our picture at Amber Cove. All right, there's the whole breeze. Everybody's just taking their pictures. All right, we found the dog pictures, but we gotta find a Shih Tzu. I'm trying to find one for Nicole, but I don't have a Shih Tzu. That's a popular dog. If you need a magnet, come on to this one. You're all over. All right, we're just making our way out. They got like a little straw market, I guess. Got some nice stuff. This place is one of the best that we're heading to now. The coffee place. All you have to do is walk in and it's worth it. The whole place just smells like coffee.
Right now.
Yeah, you can smell it right now blowing. The wind is still blowing. That is pure goodness right there. Just stick your face in it, Alexis. Just with it. It smells good, eh? Whatever you want, man. That's whatever you. I'm sure it's all good. What'd you pick?
I got cinnamon and
Sounds good. What are you getting?
the frozen coffee.
Okay, I'll just have some of yours. That ice cream is really good too. Oh, look at the goodies here. Oh, fruit cheesecake liquid. This oh my gosh. Oh, did you see all this? Have you seen all this? Oh, look. Banana bread. Oh, that's fantastic. Hello. Look at this stuff. I know, right? Yeah, that's what I was going to show you. Yeah, it all looks really good. Only $5, that's not bad. What'd you get?
I don't know. It's some kind of frozen Bailey's chocolate type frozen drink. See. Oh, that's strong.
You good?
All the liquor is at the bottom.
Oh, there's liquor in it?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought it was just like a frappuccino type thing. She's
I will
alright.
never
It's
see it
done.
again.
I'll never see it. Hold on, let me try. No. Seriously? Alright, let's try it. Holy crap. That
good,
is
right?
strong. Well, I'm not a fan of coffee liquors and stuff like that, but that's very good. That's real good actually. So yeah, that's the what's the name of the place? Cafè El what? How do you say that, Ben? How do you say the name of that?
El Cibao.
Okay.
Cafè El Cibao.
Yeah, it's just right by the port area, which when you come out of the...
It is delicious. It's the best.
And they got like the ground coffee she got too. But when you come out of the main port shopping thing you have to walk through, it's just right to the left, just a few steps. So yeah, I think we got most of our shopping done. We got a few things for the house. I don't know, we gonna head by now? You wanna head on the other side and take a walk? Alright, we did our little Carnival pics there, but that concludes our time off the ship in Amber Cove today. We got some good shopping done. Yeah. Got some coffee. We've oh, I missed that water was so nice last time over there. But I think next time we come back to Amber Cove, which I don't think we have on schedule, do we?
No.
On any of our current bookings. So yeah, it'll probably be a couple of years before we come back. We're booked out until almost 2021. Because because it's the end of 2020, so almost till 2021. So, but I think next time we come back to Amber Cove, we're gonna do an off-site excursion. Maybe there's ATVs.
The ATV, I would love.
So that's probably what we'll do next time we come, because we've done the cabanas over there. We walked around here and stuff. So next time, I think the ATVs. So we watched a couple of videos of people doing that, and that looked absolutely fun. I mean, just spectacular. So we'll probably do that next time we come. Probably a little while, but still a nice day. It's pretty warm, but the wind was blowing, so it kept it pretty cool. Not a lot of people in port. Everybody's out or going back to the ship, so it wasn't really crowded. It was actually a pretty nice, relaxed kind of day. All right, we ended up at the Cucina del Capitana for lunch. Don't give me that look, because I never say it right. So this is the best part, because this is free and it's kind of upstairs out of the way, so above the main buffet. So you can just pick what you want from your little paper they give you and send it in. They'll bring it to you. I got penne pasta with meat sauce and tomatoes, sausage, and I can't remember what else I got. What'd you get?
I got linguine with peppers, Alfredo sauce, and grilled chicken.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. She had a Caesar salad. How was that?
That was very good.
Yeah, we got a thing of bread to share. It's pretty good. So Alexis is taking a nap in the room, and we're just gonna enjoy some lunch and then probably explore some more on the ship. Alright, sailed away from Amber Cove. Getting a time lapse with a GoPro, hopefully. First time I did it, so I just got that before we left, so I'm not 100% sure how everything works, so hopefully it comes out. If it did, you'll see it probably at the end of the video. But yeah, we're sailing away. It's a beautiful day. It's got some shade on the balcony now, so it's sitting out here enjoying it. The breeze is still blowing. It's fantastic. I don't know what the temperature is, but it feels great out here. So just enjoying the scenery. It's stunning out here. It is so beautiful. So yeah, so it's about, all on board time was 3:30 and it's a little past 4:30 now. So I don't know if we're late taking off or what, but hopefully everybody's back on board, and we got dinner in about an hour. So the girls are gonna start getting ready, and we'll meet up with the local fam and see what's going on today. Hello. We are back in our room. We did the comedy. Same guy from last night, but a different show. It was pretty funny. So yeah, we're kind of tired. We got a excursion tomorrow at St. Thomas, so we wanted to come back and hang out in the room. And we tried our first pizza delivery. And it came in like,
I don't know, like 15?
I don't think it was that. It was no more than 10 minutes to get here. And it was what, how much said? $5 a piece?
$5 each.
Yeah, ordered right from the app, brought it right to the room. Yeah, it looks pretty awesome. But the best thing was when we came inside we got another treat from the executive chef. And look at that. That's just, I don't even want to eat it. It looks so nice. Oh, it smells. Okay, let's just take a bite. Let's do a bite in real time here. Oh, hold on, let me get my silverware. Look at the strawberries on this ship are just like gigantic. Alright, let's try this and see what it is. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at that. It's like a chocolate and I don't know, chocolate caramel? Whatever it is, it's good. It's really good. So, again, Carnival's being so awesome. So, well, we appreciate that again. And we're going to chow down on some pizza and then finish it off with some dessert. And I think Alexis has a parfait that the girls from the wait staff sent to her because she wasn't feeling that good. So, we're going to do that. And then we're going to just relax for the rest of the night and see you in St. Thomas tomorrow night.